Alright guys, so I'm going to start this video out this morning with a little tip for people that fish in the Midwest. If you're not going to Casey's and getting breakfast pizza before you fish in the morning, you're just doing life wrong, at least like 200 to 300% wrong. You need to reevaluate your life, and you need to go to Casey's and eat pizza in the morning and then go fishing. Alright guys, so we're at a local power plant lake. I don't know what the water temps are, I don't know anything about the conditions. We're going to run to the hot ditch first and throw some crankbaits and jigs and stuff like that. If that doesn't work out, we're going to flip some wood, fish some current breaks. I'll kind of show you guys what I'm doing with that. And yeah, we're going to get out and fish. It's about 30, I don't know why I looked back there, the temperature isn't back there, but it's about 31 degrees this morning. We'll check the water temps when I get the depth finder going, and we'll see what the deal is. Worst case scenario, I brought a crappie rod and I've got some brush piles I know about, so maybe I can at least bring some of those home. My crankbait was foul hooked, and this bass just came up and ate it on top. I might have to throw a spook on. So basically just got a topwater fish in late November. That's what I'm talking about. It's not a big one, but I don't even care. When it's freezing outside, you take what you can get. I need to unhook this guy. Not like an idiot. First fish of the day. That's what I'm talking about right there. Can't do it. Can't do the gloves. I don't care if my hands freeze off or not. Can't feel my jig to save my life like that. I just had a fish on. Up real shallow. See this? You can see the current right here, and this is just slack water, as slack as it's going to get around here. So I have a feeling it's going to be fish stacked all back in here. So you just work the jig back with the current, just let it drift like a crawfish. Oh, smoked it. I have no idea how I'm not hooking these fish. Just destroyed it. That's a sharp hook too. I'm gonna let him eat it a little longer this next time, if there is a next time. My reel sounds like garbage. Oh my god, just destroying it. I'm just trying to let this look as natural as possible. Oh my god, if that's a bass, that's a big one. Oh yeah. What's up? What's up? Late November jig fish. Number one. Dude, I'm all about it. That's a solid fish. Let's get a quick weight on it. I'd say it's about 2 pounds, 2.5. I just bought a scale, so I'm gonna be weighing every fish and being super annoying on this video, so I apologize. Look at what a healthy fish. Big belly, not tore up at all. I am freaking stoked. Just short of 2 pounds. Solid chunky fish though. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get her back. It's cold out here. That's a good one. Man, I've flipped to that same spot like 100 times. It's worth it though. It's a nice fish. Another nice healthy one. Alright guys, so we took a lunch break, went down to the main lake, and now we're going to fish some main lake laydowns on this little point here. See if we can't stir something up. The other spot was getting kind of pounded, so figured I'd leave it alone and fish some less pressured stuff. Alright guys, so quick update. We're gonna head back to the hot water ditch. I went and fished the main lake. Have had no luck at all. I've been flipping wood for like 2 hours. I've gotten one bite, so it's not really working out too well. So we're gonna head back to the hot ditch, fish those same 2 spots, the current breaks, and hopefully those other guys are gone because I can tie up to that buoy and probably catch a ton of fish. So I will see you guys there. Nice. Free lure. Looks like a Rapala. Yeah, it looks like a DT4 or DT6. Looks like brand new too. Somebody must have lost that today. I think it was that guy that 6 feet. Yep, it's a DT6. I'm gonna have to cut this. This is a freaking mess here. Guy was throwing braid. Gotta love free lures. It's a nice one too. It's not a cheap crankbait. Oh man. Oh, yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, I did not think I was getting that over the chain. God, it's a big one. Just barely ate the jig. I had to horse that thing. It was going right for the chains. Look how it ate that jig. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Barely just, you can barely feel these jig bites. It's ridiculous. I switched to a zoom chunk as a trailer, which I've always thought looked kind of dumb, but they're good for cold water apparently. Real subtle. I'm gonna get a weight on this guy real quick. If I can find my scale. Just under 2 pounds. Nice chunky one. 1.86. It's a nice fish. Let's get her back because it's really cold out. We don't want to shock it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, it's another big one. That's a big one. I don't have a net. Oh, what's up? What's up? Crushing them right now. Get a weight on her. Just the most subtle little bites. They're just swimming off with it. I'd say that's another 2, probably around 2 pounds. I just like using my scale because it's new. Oh man, I love it. Does not get better than that. It's the second time that fish bit that. First time I missed it, not sure how. Just swimming away with it. There we go. 2 1/4. I don't want to hurt her, so I'll get it off there. It's a nice fish right there. Let's get her back in the water. The jig bite is real today. Just had one. Dropped it before I could set the hook on it. I bet they'll eat it again. See, it's kind of a tough game. If you're too patient, you wait too long, you miss the fish. Ooh, I bent the hook out on that last one. Take it back. Apparently the hooks aren't very strong on these. It's gonna have to do. Hopefully it doesn't bend out if I get another fish. Please pick it up again. You just have to fish it really, really slow. There's one. Put him in the boat. Man, I can catch these all day. That's what I'm talking about. A little over 2. I'll take it all day. It's a pretty fish. The jig is just tearing them up today. I love it. Let's get her back. Alright guys, so that wraps up the day for me. I'm getting ready to head home and eat some food. I'm starving. I stayed out for about 4 hours and my 5 best fish were about 10 pounds-ish. So that's not a bad day, especially not when it's coming up on December and get to fish open water. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. I got 2 power plant lakes nearby, about an hour away from my house, so I know it's kind of nice to be able to watch open water fishing videos whenever your lakes are iced over. Kind of scratch the itch. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see in the comments, and I'll see you next time.